Truffle baked brie. This is probably the easiest way in the book to use truffles. In a previous video, I talked about all things truffle, where they're from, what they are, how to use them, why they're so expensive, that sort of thing. If you haven't seen that video, I recommend shooting over that way and peeping it. Or not. Either way, we can still be homies. Remember, truffles, like other aromatic ingredients, bind to fat, which brie cheese is chock full of. I like to use a younger, more mild brie cheese to let the tanginess of the cheese sort of like take a back seat and let the truffles shine through. This dish makes a killer appetizer, is a wonderful accompaniment to a cheese board, and I guess if you're feeling like an absolute animal, could be dinner for one. No judgment. It's actually pretty hardcore. You should do that. Probably don't do that. Or maybe do that. I don't know, do what makes you happy. Here's how it's done. Firstly, crusty bread is a must. Slice a baguette real nice and thin on the bias. Couple pieces, I don't know, 4 to 8, however many you want. In a hot pan, throw in some butter and olive oil. I was feeling extra saucy and wanted to add both. When the fat is melted, toast the bread until golden and crisp. A couple minutes per side should do the trick, just keep an eye on them. When finished, toss them over on a paper towel lined tray to drain and hit them with a little bit of kosher salt. And guess what, guys? It's now time to cut the cheese. We will be using a small whole wheel of brie. With a paring knife or some other smaller knife, slice the inner top layer of rind off of the brie. Use whatever tool you deem fit to best get under the circle you just sliced and pull off that rind. Set the rind aside and you can totally just munch that. Cook's treat. Many small whole wheels of brie sold at grocery stores come with a wooden case, but if your brie didn't come with a wooden case, just skip the step. Set the cut wheel of brie back into its wooden case and place it all on a lined baking tray. This will just help the cheese keep its structure. Season up with a little bit of kosher salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Now for that sweet truffle love. Grate as much or as little truffle as you'd like on top of the brie. Remember, when it comes to black truffles, a moderate amount of heat applied actually helps coax out some flavor, so don't be shy. Place the truffle brie in a 350 Fahrenheit oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until molten. I'm serving these spunky dunkers with a side of fig jam. I mean, come on, fig, brie, classic stuff. And I mean, I couldn't not. A little extra truffle love is almost always a good thing. And at this point, all you really need to continue on are your animal instincts. Oh boy. See, easy stuff. There's really not much to say after that show, quite straightforward. May truffles rain down upon you and your family and your day be full of truffle love. And until next time, peace.